Getting paid to play. How to make money watching YouTube videos. Hey there, YouTube aficionados. Have you ever thought about getting paid for doing something you love? Well, who wouldn't want to earn money just by watching YouTube videos, right? But hold on. What if we told you this isn't a wild dream? In fact, it's very much a reality. And you've landed on the right video, where we're about to lift the curtain on a world where entertainment meets earnings. Get ready to embark on a journey that's as exciting as your favorite YouTube content, but with the added bonus of making some cash along the way. Stick around till the end, as we're going to reveal some insider secrets and methods that could turn your regular YouTube binge watching into a potential money-making hobby. Are you ready to turn entertainment into income? Buckle up and let's dive in. We promise it's going to be a thrilling ride. Part 1. Making money by watching YouTube videos. There are several websites and apps that pay you to watch videos. These include Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, MyPoints, and more. The basic premise is simple. You sign up, watch videos, and earn points which you can later redeem for cash or gift cards. It's an exciting concept, and it can actually become a decent side hustle if you have some free time on your hands. Imagine kicking back with your favorite snack, watching some entertaining content, and seeing your points rise, which soon can be converted into money. Sounds interesting, right? But it's essential to remember that this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You'll need patience and consistency, but over time, you'll start seeing results. Part 2. Making money by reviewing YouTube videos. Now, watching is just one side of the coin. Did you know that your opinion on those videos you just watched could also make you money? Yes, several platforms are interested in paying you for your opinion. Websites like User Testing, Vindale Research, and Capterra pay users to provide you reviews of various products, websites, and yes, even YouTube videos. By sharing your thoughts and feedback, you can help creators improve their content while also earning some cash. Your honest and thoughtful reviews could shape the future of the content you love. And the best part? You get paid for sharing your opinion. Coming up next, we're going to unveil how you can make money by promoting YouTube videos. Stay tuned because you won't want to miss this. Part 3. Making money by promoting YouTube videos. Alright, we've watched videos, we've reviewed them. What's next? Promotion. Yes, there are plenty of opportunities to earn by promoting YouTube videos. How, you ask? Well, through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where you promote a product, or in this case, a video, and earn a commission every time someone interacts with it through your promotion. You can find videos with products to promote on websites like Amazon's affiliate program, ClickBank, CJ Affiliate, and more. The strategy is to choose videos with products that align with your interests and those of your audience, promote them on your platforms, and earn a commission each time someone purchases the product after watching the video through your link. By integrating this strategy into your social media platforms or blog, you can potentially make a decent income from it. Deeper dive into watching YouTube videos. Now that we've covered the basics of making money by watching YouTube videos, let's delve a little deeper. Websites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and MyPoints are part of a more significant trend called Get Paid To, or GPT sites. These sites allow users to make money doing simple tasks, one of which is watching YouTube videos. By watching a certain number of videos each day, you can accumulate points that you can exchange for PayPal cash, Amazon gift cards, and even physical items. It's a win-win. You enjoy entertaining content and earn at the same time. The art of reviewing YouTube videos. But perhaps you're someone who enjoys digging deeper, someone who likes analyzing the content they watch. Then you might be interested in turning your critical eye into cash by reviewing YouTube videos. Websites such as User Testing pay you to review different things, YouTube videos included. As a reviewer, your job is to provide constructive feedback to the creators. This helps improve the quality of content on the platform, and your honest critique is rewarded with money. It's a fun way to influence the content you love while making some cash on the side. Amplifying your voice with social media. But where does one share these reviews? Social media platforms are the perfect place to share your thoughts and engage in discussions about the videos you watch. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and even Reddit are excellent places to share your reviews. Not only do you increase your visibility, but you can also potentially attract the attention of companies or creators who might be willing to pay for your unique insight. So don't underestimate the power of your voice. Promoting videos, the key to earning. Now let's discuss promoting videos in more detail. As we said earlier, affiliate marketing is an excellent way to earn money by promoting YouTube videos. But how exactly does this work? Let's say you come across a YouTube video about a new fitness gadget that you think your followers would love. By joining an affiliate program, you can share a unique link to the video or product with your audience. Each time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. It's a great way to share products you love while earning at the same time. Making use of affiliate marketing platforms. There are several affiliate marketing platforms out there, but some of the most popular are Amazon's affiliate program, ClickBank, or CJ Affiliate. These platforms provide a vast array of products and videos that you can choose to promote. This allows you to tailor your promotion strategy to your interests and the interests of your audience. Integrating affiliate marketing into your own platform. If you have your own blog or website, integrating affiliate marketing into your platform can be a great way to boost your income. By promoting YouTube videos related to your blog topics, you can provide additional value to your audience and earn a commission at the same time. For example, if you run a fitness blog, promoting workout videos or videos showcasing fitness gear can be an effective way to engage your audience and increase your earnings. The world of content curation. Another approach to earning money by promoting YouTube videos is through content curation. Content curation involves gathering relevant videos that are of interest to your audience and sharing them on your platform. This could involve creating playlists of videos on YouTube, sharing them on your social media, or including them in your blog posts. By providing your audience with a curated selection of content, you can establish yourself as a reliable source of information, attracting more viewers and potential earning opportunities. Patience and consistency. Keys to success. Now, it's important to remember that making money by watching, reviewing, and promoting YouTube videos requires patience and consistency. You won't start earning big bucks overnight, but if you're persistent, the results can be worthwhile. Just like any other venture, the more time and effort you put into it, the more you'll get out. Enjoying the process. At the end of the day, the most crucial aspect of this whole process is to enjoy it. After all, if you're spending your free time watching YouTube videos, it should be something you love. Plus, when you genuinely enjoy what you're doing, it shines through in your reviews and promotions, making them more effective. So there you have it, folks. 3 awesome ways you can make money just by engaging with YouTube videos, watching, reviewing, and promoting. It's an exciting world where entertainment and income go hand in hand. Remember, the key to success in these ventures is consistency, patience, and of course, enjoying what you do. Thanks for watching, and here's to making some money while enjoying your favorite YouTube content. Until next time, happy earning!